Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on I-90 in Illinois, beginning at mile marker 45 in Kane County in the village of Huntley. I-90 here is the Northwest Tollway, and we've registered with I-Pass to cover the tolls. We enter the village of Hampshire. The site originated under the name Henpeck back in 1839. The village's name was changed to Hampshire in 1845 when the larger Hampshire Township was organized. In 1876, the village relocated to the present site along the Chicago Pacific Railroad line and was incorporated the same year. By 1803, Hampshire became the largest milk producing and shipping station in Illinois. During the Second World War, the village was the site of a POW camp for German soldiers. The village has since transformed from an agricultural center to a suburban bedroom community. As of the 2020 census, Hampshire has a population of 7,667. We enter McHenry County, which has a population of 310,229 as of the 2020 census. The eastern portion of the county has become suburbanized, but the western portion remains agricultural. Much of the filming for the 1993 movie Groundhog Day took place in Woodstock, the county seat. A number of festivals are held throughout the year in McHenry County, notably the County Fair in Woodstock, Fall Fest in Huntley, Summer Sunset Festival in Lake of the Hills, Milk Days in Harvard, and Founders Days in Algonquin, among others. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We exit the Chicago metropolitan area and enter Boone County, which had a population of 53,448 at the 2020 census. Boone County is part of the Rockford, Illinois Metropolitan Statistical Area. The county was formed in 1837 and was named for Kentucky frontiersman Daniel Boone. Early settlers migrated from New England and then later from Germany and Ireland. Boone County is the smallest of the northern tier of counties, having an area of only 290 square miles. Before agriculture was introduced, its surface was chiefly rolling prairie. We enter the city of Belvidere, named for Belvidere, Virginia, the former home of Ebenezer Polk, a railroad lawyer and major financial founder in the city. Plymouth made a car called the Belvedere from 1954 to 1970, although the name was spelled different, and only coincidentally, Chrysler had an automobile production facility here beginning in 1965. The Belvidere assembly plant has produced various Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth models, including the Newport, Fury, Omni, Horizon, the L-Body Charger, Dynasty, the last generation of Imperial, Neon, the last generation of Dart, the Jeep Compass, and Patriot, and currently assembles the Jeep Cherokee. Belvidere has a population of 25,339 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video at mile marker 21. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.